Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on equations. No? So, sa previous video, sinabi ko sa inyo that the remaining part of the series, we will be discussing equations with parentheses. No? Tapos, siguro yung last part or last 3 videos, we will be dealing with equations with fractions. So, dito, meron tayong equations with parentheses. And sabi natin, ginagamitan natin yan ng distributive property, no? So, yung multiplication. So, for example, a times x o a times b plus c, for example, yung distributive property says that we have to multiply a and b and then plus, no? Kung ano man yung operation dito and then multiply a and c. So, pag minus yan, minus din siya. No? Okay, so let's have our first problem. We have 3 times 2x minus 1 equals 5x. So, mag-distribute tayo. No? So, mag-distribute tayo dito. 3 times 2x. No? 3 times 2x minus 3 times 1 equals 5x, no? So 6x minus 3 equals 5x. Saan nyo gusto yung x? Nasa kaliwa, nasa kanan? Gusto nyo sa kaliwa, tatanggalin natin ito dito. So 6x minus 3 equals 5x. Kung gusto nyo tanggalin yung 5x dito, magma-minus 5x tayo dito. Pero pag nag-minus 5x tayo sa right-hand side, we also subtract 5x from the left-hand side, no? So 6x minus 5x is just x minus 3 because of this minus 3 here. And then 5x minus 5x is 0. So this is 0. At para x na naman tira dito, we can just add 3, no? So x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0 plus 3, which means that x is equal to 3. No? Okay. Letter F, we have 4 times x minus 9 equals 3 times 2x minus 4. And again, we substitute, no? The distributive property. Sorry, hindi substitute, but distribute. So 4 times x is 4x. And then I have a minus. 4 times 9 is 36. And then 3 times 2x is 6x. And then I have a minus here. And 3 times 4 is 12, no? So, para positive yung x natin, kung gusto nyo, pwede na natin siyang sa kanan, no? So, 4x minus 36 equals 6x minus 12. So, kung ayaw natin ng x dito, ng may x, magbabawas tayo ng 4x, no? Sa left-hand side, no? At syempre, pag nagbawas tayo dito, magbabawasin tayo ng 4x dito. So, this is negative 36. 4x minus 4x is 0. So, matitira na lang is minus 36, no? So, pag minus, tapos wala na siyang kasama, para negative 36 na rin yan, no? And then, 6x minus 4x is 2x. Tapos, may minus 12 pa ako dito, no? And again, para matanggal ko tong minus 12, gagawin ko, magpa-plus 12 ako dito, no? So, I have to add 12 here. And I have 2x. This is 2x minus 12 plus 12 is 0. And negative 36 plus 12 is negative 24. No? And then to get the value of x, I divide both sides by 2. No? So 2x divided by 2 is negative 24. 24 divided by 2, which means that x, no, 2 divided by 2 is 1 times x, and then negative 24 divided by 2 is negative 12. Okay? And lastly, we have letter G. By the way, baka nagtataka yung bakit AF, A, B, C, D, tapos EF, G, tapos bilang uulit. No? Kasi ilang sets yan no, ng given. So, we have G equals negative 3 times x plus 4 equals x plus 8. No? And then distribute negative 3. Negative 3 times x plus negative 3 times 4. So nakikita nyo, negative 3 times x, tapos yung plus ko, ito yan. And then I distribute again, negative 3 plus, times 4. This is equal to x plus 8. And negative 3 times x is just negative 3x. And then plus negative 3 times 4 is just negative 12. So still, this is x plus 8 yung nasa kanan. And negative 3x plus negative 12. Ano ang plus negative na ulit? Ano equivalent niya? Minus, di ba? So negative 3x minus 12 equals x plus 8. Okay? Now, we can subtract x from both sides, no? Negative 3x minus 12, no? Gusto nyo sabayin na? So, pwede natin sabayin ilipat tong minus 12. Tatanggalin natin to. And at the same time yung x, no? So, paano natin yung gagawin? Ayaw natin ng x sa kanan, so magma-minus x tayo. Magma-minus x din tayo dito. Basta kung anong gagawin natin dito, gagawin din natin doon sa kabila. Diba? Both sides dapat. Tapos, ayaw natin ng x sa kanan, ayaw din natin ng numbers sa kaliwa. So, yung minus 12, gagawin ko siyang plus 12. Pwedeng sabay, di ba? And then, and what is negative 3x minus x? This is negative 4x. Negative 4x minus 12 plus 12 is 0. X minus x is 0. 8 plus 12 is 20. Yeah. So I divide both sides by negative 4. So negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1. 1 times x is x. And 20 divided by negative 4 is negative 5. Okay, that's it dito sa ating tutorial. Gusto ko kayong invite sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9ph, our website at zip9.com, and our Facebook page at facebook.com/zip9ph. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.